Hello students, welcome to our afternoon read aloud. We're going to start by looking at this cool poster about bald eagles. And I'm wondering if you can remember some of the research questions that we came up with on Friday, because I bet we're going to find some of the answers on the poster. So pay close attention. Find out about bald eagles. Number one. Ooh, I think this is going to be about the nest, right? A bald eagle makes a nest out of sticks. Sticks. Number two, a bald eagle mother lays eggs in the nest. Oh, there's a little baby. Number three, babies hatch from the eggs. Number four, oh, there's the babies again. Baby eagles are called eaglets. And down here, oh, look, the wings are spread out and there's like a measuring stick or a yardstick. So I bet this is about how big they are. A bald eagle's wings can be as long as 7 rulers. 7 rulers, that means like 7 feet, right? Okay, I also want to show you this little handout I have that's cool. It says, "Follow that eagle" from Scholastic News. Imagine you are a bald eagle flying over our country. Up, up, up you go. What can you see with your eagle eye from way up high? And we talked about that on Friday. That was a fact we already discovered, that their vision is really super, super good. So there is an expression that if you have an eagle eye, it means you can see really well and far. Remember, we talked about expressions. If I say you have an eagle eye, does that mean your eye is from an eagle? No, it's an expression that means you can see well and far. Use your eagle eye. So right here, it says, "You spy with your eagle eye a bison. You fly high above a prairie. The land below is flat and covered in grass. You can see a huge hairy animal below you. It is a bison." A bison is an American symbol. These big animals make us think of our big country. And someone actually mentioned that symbol during our discussion on Friday also. Here's another symbol you might see. You spy with your eagle eye Mount Rushmore. You soar over the mountains. The land is tall and rocky. You see 4 faces carved into the rock. It's Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore is an American symbol. The faces are of 4 American presidents. Mount Rushmore makes us think of the leaders of our country. And finally, you might spy the Statue of Liberty. You're heading toward a busy city. You see a tall green statue on an island in the water. It is the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is an American symbol. Liberty means freedom. The statue makes us think of the freedom we have in our country. And then here's an actual science fact down here about how bald eagles use their eyes. Oops. Bald eagles have great eyes. They can spot a fish in the water from high up. They swoop down and grab it. A bald eagle is an American symbol. These strong animals make us think of our strong country. Now, let's take a look at this book about the bald eagle. Bald Eagle by Denbbie Yanuck. Ooh, there's the table of contents. We're not going to read the whole table of contents, but we'll just go ahead and start enjoying the book. Right here are a bunch of bald eagle fast facts. Here we go. Bald eagles only live in North America. Benjamin Franklin wanted the wild turkey to be the national bird. Oh, I remember that. In 1782, Congress made the bald eagle the national bird. The bald eagle is on the Great Seal. The Great Seal was created in 1782. The Great Seal often is stamped on important papers signed by the president. A pesticide called DDT almost caused the bald eagle to die out completely. Today, most of the 70,000 bald eagles live in Alaska, Florida, and Canada. Wow, those are a lot of different facts. I'm remembering some of these facts from our other learning, and some of them are new. I think we'll learn more about them in the book. Here we go. Freedom, strength, and courage. The bald eagle is an American symbol of freedom, strength, and courage. In the late 1700s, the American colonists fought for independence from Great Britain. The bald eagle is a symbol of the colonists' courage to fight. Ooh, and here's like a little word bite on the side because it had the word independence, freedom from control of other people or things. And there's the bald eagle. Ooh, I see a map and a picture of the bird. Bald eagles live only in North America. Some adult bald eagles stand 3 feet tall. Ooh, that's a fact. That's something we had a question about, right? How tall they are. An adult eagle's wingspan can be 7 feet. And here is a map with a key. It unlocks our understanding. The colors show where bald eagles go in summer, in winter, and where you might find them all year long. And here's the United States, and above us the country Canada, below us Mexico, south is Mexico. Here's a compass rose. That's a symbol on a map that shows the important directions, the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. So here it says bald eagles can live up to 30 years in the wild. They are not bald. Bald eagles have white feathers on their heads. Wow, you know, we typed up a list of questions on Friday, and so many of the answers to those questions are right here. Picking an emblem. In 1776, Congress wanted an emblem to represent the United States. John Adams, Benjamin Franklin, and Thomas Jefferson were picked to create the emblem. Franklin wanted the wild turkey on the emblem. Like the bald eagle, the wild turkey lives only in North America. Others did not want the turkey on the emblem. The Great Seal. The Great Seal shows a bald eagle with a shield on its chest. The shield has 13 stripes. The stripes stand for America's first 13 colonies. The eagle holds an olive branch and 13 arrows. The olive branch stands for peace. The arrows stand for war. And shield, a piece of armor used to protect the body from attack. Bald eagles in danger. In the mid-1900s, bald eagles nearly died out. A pesticide called DDT had poisoned rivers and fish. Bald eagles ate the fish. Eagle eggshells then became too thin. Many eaglets died before they could hatch. In 1972, the U.S. government banned DDT. Today, more than 70,000 bald eagles live in North America. Pesticide, a chemical used to kill insects and other pests that eat crops. So I got to stop and think. The farmers were putting pesticides on the crops so the insects wouldn't eat them, but the pesticide was going into the rivers, running into rivers near the farms, and the fish in the rivers were being eaten by the eagles, and that was making their eggshells too thin. Wow, it's a real cycle, isn't it, with everything connected. The symbol today. The bald eagle remains an important symbol. The U.S. Postal Service uses a picture of the bald eagle in its logo. The Great Seal is printed on the back of the U.S. $1 bill. The bald eagle reminds people of freedom, strength, and courage. Logo, a symbol that represents a group or a company. Logo, a symbol that represents a group or a company. And in the back there's a timeline. We won't go over all the details, but it's a timeline showing from 1776, when they came up with the idea of the bald eagle as our national symbol, through 1782, when they made it the symbol, through the other things that happened to the bald eagle, like in 1972 when it had the problems, and how it's recovering today. Oh, and there's a how-to, hands-on, make an emblem, words to know. and the index. So I hope you will remember a lot of these facts, and these facts are ones we've been looking for. We've been researching. We were going to research them in Pebble Go, but I think we already have some answers. I hope you enjoyed our afternoon read aloud. Don't forget to keep washing your hands, cover your coughs and sneezes, do some reading, do some writing, help your family around the house, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.